So how do you know if you should buy that course or pay to go to that event or any type of thing like that, any type of information product or service? How do you know that you should get that or if you shouldn't? Well, let's talk about it.
Headed to the top, ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no motherfucking fashion show.
What's up, y'all? I'm AJ Simmons, founder of the Clean Biz Network, where we help you start and grow your cleaning company, all right? And today I want to talk about if you should go ahead and pay to go to that 10X conference, right? Or if you should pay to get that Cleaning Business Starter Kit course. So whatever course you're looking to get, right? Or event you're trying to go to, I'm going to tell you today how to look at it and if you should invest in that or not, right? Now, before I get into it, we all know that investing in yourself is definitely important, especially as an entrepreneur, right? And so when you buy these tickets to these events and these courses and ebooks and books and everything like that, of course you'll invest into yourself, right? Because you're helping yourself to get more information and get smarter, right? As a person, right? But here's the thing. If you're not sure if that's what you need to do right now in order to take your business to the next level, this right here is about to change it for you, all right? Look at it like this, all right? Do I need more information or do I need more execution? All right. And this is a lesson, by the way. I love to give my kudos. And I also do this too, so you can know that I'm a student, man. I've really listened to a lot of the Greeks, man. But it's a guy by the name of, I'm about to butcher his last name very badly, but it's Alex Hormozi, I believe is how you pronounce it. He has a YouTube channel right on here as well. And man, he taught me that concept. Do you need more information or do you need more execution? And that's just a huge, that was a gem for me to change everything for me. Because I have bought courses in the past, right? Shout out to Danielle Leslie, whose course I bought on how to sell courses, right? And it was definitely beneficial for me. And that's one of many courses that I've bought, right? But sometimes I hit a brick wall and I'm like, I don't know, maybe it's time for me to get another mastermind or get a new coach or maybe go back to the one I bought in before and revisit some things. Then it's like, or maybe I just need to execute on what I already know what to do, right? And I'm going to tell you right now. So I'm in a place, I can get a little personal with me right now. I'm in a place where I don't need more information. I got a million ways to get more money, right? And to grow my business even bigger, right? And I got them written down too, step by step. And all I have to do is execute, right? So if you're in a place like I am, where you already know what you have to do, you just got to do it. Like, for example, for the cleaning company owners that I coach, most of them, they already know they just need to call more businesses, right? Or go knock on more doors, right? So they at a point right now where they don't really need the information, right? But some of them at the point where it's like, well, I know how to get more calls. I'm growing steadily already, but I need help with my systems. I need you to teach me how to do systems. So those people might say, okay, bam, I do need a course. I do need an event. I do need some more information from you, right? And so that's when it would be like, yeah, buy that, right? But in this case where it's like you already have your action plan and you just need to execute, then just go execute. You know what I mean? So that is really all it is to it, man. I won't hold you long at all on this one, man. Do you need more information or do you need more execution? That is the way that you can decide if you need to go to that event or buy that course or buy that book, right? Or if you should just, no, I'm going to pass on that. And instead of investing the funds into this, I'm going to invest the funds into executing this plan over here that I already got in place, y'all. So very simple stuff. I'm AJ Simmons, and if you're interested in starting your company, make sure you go to cleanbiznetwork.com. We can help you get started with your cleaning company as well as grow it. We've got other tools in place on there for you, so definitely check that out. I'm AJ Simmons, and I'm out of here.
The Clean Biz Network Conference 2022 in Jacksonville, Florida welcomes you to join us for an impactful weekend of networking, celebration, and inspiration. This is your opportunity to meet, greet, and learn from 6- and 7-figure cleaning business owners who started out just like you. But that's not all. This event is hosted by Mr. How to Start a Cleaning Business, founder and CEO of Clean Biz Network himself, AJ Simmons. This is your opportunity to meet AJ in person and learn from him as well as other cleaning industry experts. And we can't forget our special award ceremony to highlight certain members of the Clean Biz Network who have went far and beyond expectations. Make sure you save the date, Friday, April 15th and Saturday, April 16th, 2022 in Jacksonville, Florida. For more details and to purchase your tickets today, visit cleanbiznetwork.com.